Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question 999 by x plus 999 by x square minus 99 by x cube is equal to 99, and we need to find the value of x. Since we know that this is a cubic equation, so we must get three values of x. So let us see the solution. Okay, first of all, since I can see that just by dividing with 9 I can simplify this equation. So what will I do? Divide both sides by 9, right? What will you get? 111 by x plus 111 by x square minus 11 by x cube is equal to 11, right? Okay, now I will take the LCM. Let us take the LCM x cube. We will get 111 x square plus 111 x minus 11 is equal to 11, right? And then take the x cube on that side. 111 x square plus 111x minus 11 is equal to 11x cube, right? Okay, let us rearrange the equation. I can write it as 11x cube. If I take all these things to that side, 11x cube plus 11 minus 111x square minus 111x. Okay, why did I arrange like that I put 11 here? Because here both have 11, so I can take 11 common. It is x cube plus 1. Here I can take 111 common. It is x square plus x left inside, right? Is equal to 0. Now 11, what is a cube plus b cube? It is a plus 1 a square minus ab plus b square minus 111 x I will take common, and we have x plus 1 is equal to 0. I simplified this. Here I applied the formula and here I took x common, so I'm left with x plus 1, right? Okay, now from both these terms I can take x plus 1 common, right? Okay, here I'm left with, and this 11 I multiply inside with every term. I'm left with 11x square minus 11x plus 11, right? Minus 111x, right? Okay, because x plus 1 we have taken common. So x plus 1, and let us simplify this. 11x square minus, if you add them you will get 122x plus 11, right? Is equal to 0. So this is the equation we got finally. Now either x plus 1 is 0 or 11x square minus 122x plus 11 is 0, and this will give us x as minus 1. So one root is x is equal to minus 1. Let us find another two roots now. 11x square, this is a quadratic equation. If it is a quadratic equation, I can solve it as, I will have to make the factors such that when I solve them I get 122, and when I multiply them I get 121. Why? Because 11 times 11 is 121, right? From these two I will take 11 common, 11x common. In fact, I'm left with x minus 11. Here I will take minus 1 common. I'm left with x minus 11. So this can be written as 11x minus 1, and x minus 11 is equal to 0, which will give us either x minus 1 is 0 or x minus 11 is 0, right? So 11x minus 1 will become this, and x is equal to 1 by 11 or x is equal to 11. So we got these three roots of the given equation, right? So I hope you understood this. For more such videos, more Olympiad questions, you can visit my channel. You will get Olympiad questions there. You will get concepts in one shot, like I have explained algebra and I have explained number skills, divisibility test, and lines and angles package, triangles package. This will help you a lot. Do visit my channel for more such things. Thank you. Bye bye.